Hi, this is Easy Portrait channel. In today's video, I will show you how to insert picture in Excel. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! The tutorials show different ways to insert an image in Excel worksheet. While Microsoft Excel is primarily used as a calculation program, in some situations you might want to store pictures along with the data and associate an image with a particular piece information. And how to do it? How if you want to insert picture? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Excel. And there is an option insert on the toolbar. You can tap on that. Tap on the picture. You can choose the picture from online picture or from your device. Now you can choose the image that you want to insert. You want to add to your Excel, Microsoft Excel. For example, I will choose this one. You can choose on, click on insert. So here's the picture. You can edit the picture. You can resize the picture. You can see there is the picture tools on the toolbar where you can add effects, or maybe you can add the border for the picture. You can change the color. You can edit so here's the tools to edit your picture on your Microsoft Excel. So it's so simple, right? So that is how to insert picture in your Microsoft Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!